Hello and welcome to another real estate video. Today we're looking at a two-bedroom condominium in Marco Polo Residences. Very prestigious area. It's up on the hills above Cebu City in Lahug. And yeah, I've done a number of videos up here over the years. They've got, I think they've got 4 towers presently, with a fifth under construction being planned presently. And this is a furnished unit. Our JR, our broker, real estate broker on these units. Nicely laid out, nice furnishings. I especially like this center aisle in the kitchen area. Got a dual sinks, which is unusual here in the Philippines. Many units I've looked at. So it comes with most of the furnishings that you will see in this video. I think there are a few personal things perhaps he would want to bring with him. And 92 square meters, I believe, plus the balcony. I think the balcony is additional. 92 square meters is about 990 square feet. And to figure square feet, because everything is metric here, take your square meters, multiply by 10, and add a few. So we've got a real nice kitchen area, and then you've got a utility area back here, washer, dryer, a microwave, utility. You could make that into just a storage room, or I've seen a number of units where it is a maid's room, but I like the way they have it laid out right there. Lots of cabinet space, lots of cupboard space. Appreciate that, because many of the condos do not have very much cupboard space, cabinet space, or a countertop space. JR, the broker, there again, the broker on this unit, I'll put his contact information in the description of the video. So yeah, Marco Polo Hotel just up, part of this whole development project by federal land. Marco Polo is a top-rated hotel. I've had buffets there a number of times. Very, very good restaurants and buffets. The pools, the amenities are second to none. We'll go over some of that information later. And here is the second bedroom. In this case, it's a children's bedroom laid out here. And so I presume those items would stay unless you don't want them, I guess. They do have, interesting enough, they do have daycare center, on-site daycare center, indoor. They've got a number of pools, jogging path, game room, theater room. Comes with, I believe there's 3 large screen televisions included in these. So nice, basically one in each room. The master bedroom, got 2 bathrooms, toilet areas, showers with the, we call them CRs here, comfort rooms. But yeah, toilets. And I'm waiting for a little bit of additional information here, but this is project by federal land, very well respected. They've got quite a number of developments in the Manila area, as well as Cebu City. I'm not sure if they've spread out into some of the other cities or not. Let's see, this comes with a parking spot, which generally cost over $1 million by themselves. So you've got a parking spot included. In fact, when you go down to the parking area, you walk out of the elevator, and the first parking spot you see is the parking spot that comes with it. So extremely convenient if you're loading or unloading something. Backup generator, 100% backup generator included. Like I said, yeah, jogging path, mini theater. Parking spot actually is 12.5 square meters as well. This is a corner unit, which is nice, and I'll show you the view out. We're in Tower 2. I'm pretty sure it's Tower 2. You got Tower 3, Tower 4 there. Tower 1 is right up, real close to the Marco Polo Hotel. And I think they've got shuttle carts too if you want to go up to the hotel or from the hotel back to the condominiums. They've got shuttle service available on call, I believe. It is a short walk. We parked up by the hotel and walked down and walked back up. Not too bad of a walk. Another CR, comfort room toilet here. And we'll go down and take a look at the pool area, the other amenity, the gym area here in a bit. I always do a little research when I'm going to do one of these videos. I believe I read somewhere that the site is about 660 something. Gosh, is that feet? Feet or meters above sea level, something like that. So you're up a little bit out of the city. It should be just a little bit cooler, probably. As you go up in elevation, generally you get a little bit cooler air up out of the dust from the traffic and all that sort of thing. It's on. I'll put a map up at the end of the video. It's on the just off of the main road that goes up to the Tops area, the road that goes over if you want to go to the west side. One of the many roads that go over to the west side of Cebu Island as well. Should be very quiet as well, especially because you're facing the amenity area instead of off into the provincial, the barangay areas. Balcony there again. I think the balcony is listed at what was it? I'm not sure. And there's the pool. You're overlooking the pool area, kiddie pool, and the main pool. And looks like another little pool up in the upper left-hand corner over there. Didn't get over there, so not absolutely positive. And then there, like I said, this is 2. There's 3 and 4, and they're building a number 5 down into the downtown Cebu City area down there. So you can actually see sea view. You can see the sea off in the distance, Mactan Strait, and then Mactan Island over there, and then you've got a little bit over to the right. You've got a little bit of view of the mountain view as well, off in this direction, just a little bit there. A few days a week, we've been getting rain showers, and this particular day, rained for about 10 minutes, I think. Not very hard, but then it pretty much cleared back up. So that's very common here in Cebu City. When the rain comes, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes, and then it stops. And might come again later in the day, might not. Got a mosquito screen there on the door, which is real nice. No flies, no mosquitoes. It is interesting. I've lived in 6 condominiums in 9 years here in the Philippines, and I rarely see a mosquito in my condos, a mosquito or a fly. Very rare. Anyway, out to the pool area, a large pool, and I will say I'm really impressed with the maintenance that they keep all over the property here. I didn't see any cracked tiles. Everything is swept up very well. And off in the distance, you have the Marco Polo Hotel and Tower 1 off there, right in the center. So just a very short distance up there if you want to go and enjoy meal, drinks, or whatever. And then your unit is up there overlooking the pool. Very nice. And there again, Tower 3 and Tower 4. I believe I have that correct. And you've got your children's play area, and I think this is a daycare type area. There's another room for even younger children, toddlers, I think. And then the audiovisual room, the theater room, very nice seating, acoustic treatment on the walls, a nice big screen. If you want to use that, you can probably reserve it. And there's the parking spot. As soon as you come out of the elevator, first spot right there. Very convenient. This is a picture I took with my big zoom lens some years ago. Gives you an idea. It's up on the hill. It's up out of the city traffic, but you're just off of a main road. Very easy to catch a taxi or a Grab or one of the other transportation services, even a jeepney or bus. I'm sure run up and down that road very, very, very often. Zooming into Marco Polo Residences on Google Earth Pro, which is a free program for your phones and or I'm on my computer. And this says down here at the bottom, it says imagery, I think 2024, which is not accurate because they don't have here's the hotel up here, Tower 1 here, Tower 2, 3, and 4, which they don't show here. So this is not exactly. They've got the start of it. Looks like it might still be under construction. One of them down here. It looks like a basketball court over here. And yeah, Tower 1. So it's very short walk or drive. And you have a parking spot included. Marco Polo Hotel there. Zoom out here a bit. You've got the main road that I was telling you about. The main road here. You're not very far from everything's the malls and such that are going on. Marco Polo up here. You've got Cebu City golf course over here. And zoom out here. Give you an idea where you're at. You've got Mactan Island over here with your international airport. A lot of 3, 4, 5-star resorts over here on the east side of Mactan Island, all the way up to the point up here. I've done videos at a number of them as well. And then again, this is the main road that goes up over. This is one of the roads goes up over. Number of sites up there goes over to the west side of Cebu Island. I'm still waiting for a few more details, pricing, and that sort of thing. When I get it, I'll put it in the description of the video. Contact information for JR, a broker, will be in the description as well. Just a little plug for Cebu City area. It is a great area, centrally located, pretty much protected from most typhoons that come in from the Pacific. You got a huge airport, Mactan Island, that has more international direct flights than any airport other than the big Manila airport. So a lot of things going on in Cebu City. Worth checking out. Thanks for coming along. Stay safe. Safe travels. See you next time.